Good afternoon, Montclair. This is Councilwoman Dr. Renee Baskerville, and I'm just going to take a few minutes today to check on you and your family and see how everyone is doing during these unprecedented times. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the novel coronavirus and what you need to know. The novel coronavirus is spread through coughing and sneezing and close personal contact with one another, such as shaking hands, touching hands, or human contact. We've been able to make some strong recommendations about things that we think you should not do to protect yourself and others from contracting and spreading the coronavirus, which can be lethal. Those things include such things as hand washing. We've been talking about hand washing for a long time. We know that we want you to use warm water, warm to hot water with a very heavy soap that produces a lot of lather so that it can break through the exterior surface of the coronavirus. So we need to know about the symptoms of the coronavirus, and if you've been in contact with somebody that has the coronavirus, when would we expect you to start showing symptoms? So generally, they may appear anywhere from 2 to as long as 14 days after exposure to the virus, and some people may have minimum to no symptoms. So if you're going to have symptoms, what generally are those symptoms? Generally, you will expect to have a fever, sometimes as high as 103 or higher. You would expect to have cough, sometimes productive, sometimes just a dry cough. Oftentimes you would have difficulty breathing, and you would be not feeling yourself. Some people become severely ill, and some people on the other end of the spectrum have no symptoms whatsoever. Other people had a slight clear nasal discharge and lethargy. And first of all, if you think you've been exposed to the coronavirus, you should self-quarantine and stay inside of the house for at least 14 days. That would include pharmacy visit. That would include to get essential food products, and not very much else, although I know a lot of people are there. Certainly if you're on the front line and you are a healthcare provider or a public safety worker or other people that are out here trying to save lives, we value you and we thank you, and we are indebted to you and just grateful that you would come forward at this time and be on the front line so that we can live. But we also want to encourage you to maintain social distancing. And we talk about social distancing and we say a minimum of 6 feet away from other people. First and foremost, we want you to stay inside for as much as you can and away from people. And so we're asking that you don't go to visit people that are at high risk and or other people. So want to make sure that you know that we are here for you in Montclair Township. Our number, if you have questions or concerns or you want to make suggestions, is 509-5900. Feel free to reach out to us. We're here. We want to hear from you. If we're missing the mark in some areas, we want to do better. And we know that it's going to take all of us working together to get through this thing together. We are a community that I am so very proud of. Have never been more happy to be say that I am a proud Montclarian, and I'm grateful to be here during such a time.